In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write prompts in ChatGPT 2026 Full Guide. Getting high quality, actionable results from an AI isn't about luck, it's about structure. If you rely on a single vague sentence, you leave most of the model's capability unused. Instead, we'll build a strict, repeatable prompt that locks in role, context, constraints, thinking depth, authentic data, and clean output. Start by anchoring the AI with a concrete role in a clear situation. Open your chat and declare who the system should be and why it's responding. For example, you can say, act as a principal solutions architect and enterprise systems reviewer. Then add context such as, we are preparing a high stakes technical blueprint for a scalable automation infrastructure. This opening narrows the model's attention to professional grade standards and keeps it from defaulting to generic consumer level advice. Next, define task boundaries and constraints so the system can't drift. State the task plainly, like draft an asynchronous workflow deployment guide. Immediately follow with constraints that remove guesswork. Tell it to eliminate generic corporate fluff and repetitive transitions, to rely on current industry standard protocols, and to leave clear bracketed placeholders where you'll manually add local server credentials. Never paste real secrets. Just mark them as placeholders. With that structure in place, enable advanced thinking for multivariable logic. If your interface offers a reasoning or thinking mode, sometimes accessible via a model toggle or a quick slash command like slash think, turn it on before you submit. This gives the model more time to plan, check trade-offs, and reduce inconsistencies. You won't see hidden notes, but you should notice more coherent, decision-ready outputs. Now apply the 80-20 hybrid prompt rule for authenticity. Feed the model your raw notes, dependencies, and messy brainstorms, then instruct it to analyze that real-world data against the constraints you just set. Ask it to synthesize both sources smoothly while preserving your concrete milestones and metrics. That blend keeps the voice practical and authoritative instead of sounding like a template. Finally, specify a clean output format so you get a copy-ready asset. Request a single column markdown structure with crisp headers, distinct code blocks where relevant, and a tightly organized bullet matrix. Ban polite intros and outrows so the response starts with substance. Then review the result, verify any technical claims, and paste it directly into your workspace. Turn prompting into a reliable system, and you'll skip frustration while producing precise production-ready work at speed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the